Hello, welcome to Learn Page by Page. I'm Sally, and in this video I'm going to show you how to graph inequalities on a number line. Number lines, they're just these things here. And the strange thing about being asked to graph inequalities, you may immediately see the word graph and think this, or most students do when they first see this. They think, that's a graph. Well, yes, it is a graph, but so is a number line. And so when you're asked to graph your solution on a number line, this is what you'll be working with. So let's say you've solved the inequality and you have greater than 4. Draw a number line with 4 and a numbers above it and below. And then you're going to use these rules that are on the right here. If the number is not included, you will use an open circle. If the number is included, you'll use a solid circle. And you need to make sure you know these rules here. First one greater than, second one is less than. Then we have greater than or equals to, that has that extra line there. And then less than or equals to, and that has that line there. So let's dive into each one of these and then we'll work through step by step. The first one, A is greater than 4. So we have 4 on our number line, and if we look at the inequality sign, we can see it's just greater than. So when the number is not included, it's an open circle. So find number 4, draw an open circle there, and because it's greater than, you'll be going in this direction. Draw your line, pop an arrow on the end, and there you've successfully graphed this inequality, this solution on the number line. Now the next one, X is greater than or equals to 3. So greater than or equals to means the number is included. So we use a solid circle. We find 3, solid circle, and we need to go in the same direction as the one before. And that one's done. Now the next, Y is less than -2. So when you draw your number line, pop -2 somewhere near the middle. Look at the inequality sign. We see the number is not included. When it's not included, it's an open circle. Open circle at -2, and then we're going the other direction. And the last one, so the number is included, that's a solid circle. When you do that like that, and then same direction because it's less than or equals to, and that one's graphed. I do have a few other videos on inequalities. There's introduction to inequalities, compounds. I created a playlist, so that's linked here for you. And that should be everything. Thank you so much for watching. If this has helped, do go ahead and hit the subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.